Welcome to Ekta Home Foods. So today we are going to make some sandwiches. These are mixed vegetable sandwiches and they have come out amazing. You can just see how they are. They have good filling, good amount of filling in the sandwiches, and I have used white as well as brown bread. I have used sauce and harissa paste and mayonnaise in the sandwich. And you can make it grill, you can make it on tawa, you can make it on the gas sandwich maker. Anyway, you can just make it, and even you can have it raw. So it is very handy if you have a lot of vegetables in the fridge, and if you don't want to cook any vegetable, any rice, chapati or anything. So this is a best idea to have it, and especially for the breakfast and the evening, this is amazing idea. So if you have not yet subscribed my channel or liked my channel or shared my channel, please do it right now. It will be amazing to have your comments on my videos. So now let's see how we make this amazing sandwich, vegetable cheese sandwiches. हेलो, वेलकम टू एकता होम फूड्स। भाई आज ना आप देख रहे हो कुछ ब्रेड है, कुछ सब्जियां हैं। सब्जियां आप ध्यान से देख लीजिए। कुछ सॉस है, बटर है, पेस्ट है, हरीसा पेस्ट जो मैंने बनाया था, मेयोनीज और हरीसा पेस्ट जो कि मेरे चैनल पे भी इसकी रेसिपी है। यू कैन जस्ट गो थ्रू एंड मेक दिस पेस्ट एंड इट इज रियली अमेजिंग फॉर द सैंडविच ऑल्सो एंड एज अ डिप टू. So let's see how we make this sandwiches, mixed vegetable sandwiches. Like it's all nutritious. It's all nutrition in just one sandwich you can get. So anytime you don't want to make anything like chapati, sabji, rice, dal, anything. So if you have all these kinds of vegetables at home, you can just quickly make some sandwich for yourself, and a tea or a coffee cup will do great. So let's see how we make these sandwiches. As you can see, I have taken 4 pieces of bread. These 2 are brown bread and 2 are white breads. So you can just choose your kind of bread, maybe a big sandwich bread or brown bread or white bread. जो भी आपको पसंद हो आप bread choose कर सकते हैं, just according to your taste and your preference. And the vegetables I have taken, you can just take note of the vegetables. This is cheese. I have taken some cheese. चीज़ थोड़ा मैंने ज़्यादा लिया है ताकि वो बाइंडिंग के लिए it helps. And this is paneer, small cube of paneer which we'll be grating. Even the cheese I'm going to grate. ये थोड़ा धनिया लिया है हमने, and this capsicum थोड़ी लाल थोड़ी हरी, थोड़ा सा बीटरूट का पीस लिया है, छोटा सा खीरा लिया है, थोड़ी सी गाजर ली है, एक टुकड़ा जो है गोभी का ले लिया है, एक छोटी सी कैबेज का टुकड़ा ले लिया है, थोड़ी सी हमने छोटी सी ये बेबी कॉर्न ले लिया है, ब्रोकली का एक टुकड़ा ले लिया है, एक छोटा प्याज लिया है, एक बीन्स ली है, एक ये जो है हमने देख सकते हैं आप ऑलिव्स थोड़े से मैंने लिए हैं 4-5। ये अपना ये है रेड चिली फ्लेक्स है जो कि घर में बनाया है मैंने। नॉर्मल चिलीज को आप मिक्सी में करिए तो ये फ्लेक्स आपके रेडी हो जाते हैं। ये थोड़ा सा सॉल्ट लिया, सॉल्ट हमने बहुत कम लिया बिकॉज हमने सॉसेस लिए हैं। सो इट्स बेटर टू हैव लेस क्वांटिटी ऑफ सॉल्ट. इफ यू वांट यू कैन ऑलवेज एड इट लेटर. सो आई हैव टेकन जस्ट 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a little of chicken masala I have taken just for the twist in the sandwich, the taste. And this is harissa paste. I told you I have it on my channel. I have mixed harissa paste and mayonnaise and just kept it. So it's there in the fridge, so it is very handy always. It's normal tomato sauce. You can take tomato ketchup and some butter to apply it over the sandwich, and a bowl and a grater जिसमें कि हमने ये पनीर और ये जो cheese है, this we will grate. You can even grate all the vegetables or you can just cut them into small pieces. I have even taken a green chili, 1 green chili. That is your preference. If you want to take some pepper, you can take some pepper. Just for the twist, I have taken green chilies and chili flakes, so it gives a different kind of flavor, and plus the chicken masala will give a different flavor. You can just add some garlic paste to it, ginger garlic paste to it, absolutely your choice. So let's cut all the vegetables and grate this paneer and cheese cube, and we'll mix everything together. Let us do that first. All the vegetables I have chopped. You can see carrot, beetroot, onion, green chilies, cabbage, red capsicum, green capsicum, cucumber and baby corn, cauliflower and broccoli, beans, and this coriander, olives, and everything I have chopped down to a very fine thing. So now what I will do is I will just take a bowl and add all these vegetables to one bowl. I've added all the vegetables, chopped vegetables in a bowl, and just mix it, and I will just add this chicken masala. That's obviously your option. If you don't want to add, just avoid it. A little of salt, very little salt, because sandwich won't taste good if you have a lot of salt in it. It has to be very mild. So chili flakes I have added. Now what I will do is I have a grater here, and I will grate this cheese chunk and paneer chunk to this vegetable. This grated cheese goes in, and now the paneer. You can choose any kind of cheese, cheddar cheese, or you can use mozzarella cheese. Any cheese you want, you can just add to this. And here goes our paneer also to this mixture of vegetables. And just give it a good mix so that cheese, paneer and vegetables are well mixed with each other, and it has flavor of all. Like I told you, you can even use some garlic paste. It will taste really awesome if you love. And the people who don't eat onions, you can just skip the onion part out of this vegetable. You can add any kind of vegetables you like corn. You can just grate the corn and add it to this, or any vegetables you have and you love to eat, which you can just eat raw. You can just add all the vegetables. Even you can add a pineapple, a little small fine cut pineapple to it. It will taste great. Now the mixture is absolutely ready to put on the bread, to spread on the bread. So we'll just if you want, you can just add these sauces in this big mixture itself, or you want to just spread it on the bread like this, you can do it this way also. So we'll take one white bread and one brown bread. So one white bread I will spread this tomato sauce, and to the other one I will use this harissa paste, and it's really tastes yum. It's unusual, it's not like a regular sandwich. You can put mayonnaise also, but this paste really tastes yum. So the same thing I will do with the other breads also. Meanwhile, I have put this tawa on the gas to get heated up a little on the slow gas, because it will take time for the sandwich to get prepared. And now we'll add vegetables to the bread. You can just choose your quantity of vegetable. If you want to use less vegetable, you can use. If you want to have loads of vegetable in the sandwich, you can as well do that too. I have loaded this sandwich with lots of vegetables. Still we have some batter here, mixture here left out. So you can even make two more sandwiches with that. So in the given quantity of vegetables and things I just showed you, you can make 4 nice sandwiches, filling sandwiches. So these sandwiches are ready. One brown and one white bread we have taken. Just cover it with the other bread. And what we have to do is we just have to apply a little or more. That's absolutely your choice. So just put butter according to your choice and your taste on the bread slice on this sandwich. You can even have it raw without cooking it, or without roasting it or toasting it, or you can make it like a sandwich in the toaster sandwich maker, or on tawa, or just raw. You can have it. You can just fold it in silver foil and keep it in the fridge, and you can just enjoy it later also if you have no time to cook every now and then. So this one side I have put the butter, and I will take this and put it on tawa. This is how I put it, and apply butter on this side too. I take the other bread also and just put it upside down on the tawa. Some more butter on the other side on both the breads. So I have applied butter on the other side also, and the gas is very slow. I have put it on very low heat so that the bread is crisp, and the inside also the cheese we have put inside should melt and stick to the vegetables. So once it is done from one side, we just flip it over this way. Good idea would be just switch off the gas and let it be there on the tawa for around 5 minutes, so that it is crisp from the sides, and you can just flip it out once more, because if the gas is on, it may burn. So just switch off the gas. We have a required amount of heat that has already made this tawa quite warm for the sandwich. You can also use this hand sandwich maker. This is absolutely amazing. It also comes out very well. You just have to open it, grease it with some butter or ghee, and add the prepared sandwich, and just put it over the gas and turn it once or twice on the slow gas, and the sandwich will be amazing. The sandwiches are cooking very nicely. I have switched off the gas, mind you, and the vegetables that are left over, so you can just eat it along with the sandwich. You want to, if you can even just save it in the fridge for next use. You can use it for anything. You can just have a chapati with it. You can make a roll out of this with the chapati, or make a sandwich again. And some sauces I have taken to serve with the sandwich, though it is not important to serve these sauces, as I have already added these sauces to the sandwich itself. So the sandwich looks full ready. It's so tempting. Let's take out on the serving plate. The sandwiches are on the plate, and you can just have it right now, or maybe you can just cut it into a triangle. Let me cut it into a triangle and show you. And the best idea is to cut it with the scissor. That really makes it perfect cutting. This is how I cut it with the scissor, and it's really handy. I'm telling you, the scissor is absolutely handy in the kitchen. One kitchen scissor is obviously has to be there in the kitchen to cut greens, to cut chilies, and whatever you can't touch with the hands, you can use this magic thing, scissor. So the sandwiches are ready, and it'll be nice if you also make this sandwich and serve for your family people, your friends, and anyone. It'll be wonderful for you to subscribe my channel, like my channel, and share with the friends for such wonderful, easy, healthy recipes. So see you soon with some other interesting recipes, healthy recipes. Take care.